Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we'll be checking out a new RAM kit from HyperX. It's HyperX brand new Fury RGB RAM. HyperX is already quite popular for the original Fury DDR4 RAM, and to keep up with the competition in the market right now, they've released a beautiful RGB variant of the same called the HyperX Fury RGB. It's a DDR4 RAM and comes in a lot of variants. The one we have right now is a 2x8 16GB kit. It also comes in 2x16GB kit variants. And talking about the clock frequencies, this RAM is available from 2400 to 3466 MHz. The one we have right now is a top spec variant clocked at 3466 MHz. Awesome, right? Let me unbox it and show you how it looks like. Wow, beautiful looking RAM sticks. And along with that, we also got a HyperX sticker and a user guide in the box. Just make sure to check them out. Now let me give you all a closer look at the RAM. The new HyperX Fury RGB has pretty much a similar design to the original Fury with aggressive looks and top-notch finishing. It's got a low-profile aluminum heat spreader with the HyperX branding on the front. And going to the top, we've got a beautiful RGB light bar. One thing I have to mention is, most of the RGB RAMs that I've seen till now are quite tall due to the light bar. But over here that's not the case. HyperX has managed to keep the height as low as possible. Looks pretty nice. Alright then, let me also take the other 8GB RAM stick and show you side by side. The Fury RGB DDR4 are quite affordable as well. I'll tell you all about the pricing details at a later part in the video. First, let me install them in my build, power them on, and talk about its features. The HyperX Fury RGB is plug-and-play friendly, compatible with both Intel and AMD platforms, and features automatic overclocking at 2400 and 2600 MHz. Talking about OC, it supports Intel XMP as well, so you can easily overclock it up to 3466 MHz to bring out its max performance. These are amazing RAM guys. I've already been using them and they were performing very well during my testing. Talking about the RGB, the light bar on the Fury looks awesome and produces beautiful RGB lighting effects. And the best part is, it comes with the company's newest infrared sync technology that makes sure that the RGB effects on all the RAMs are synchronized at all the times. The RGB lighting was quite bright, colorful, and also attractive. But I felt the RGB lighting transition was not that smooth. As you can see, it was happening in steps and not that appealing to the eyes. So I hope HyperX could work on that and add buttery smooth transition to the lighting. Rest everything else was great. Well, that was my video on HyperX new Fury RGB DDR4. It's a very good performing RAM. Love the aggressive looks, has a low profile aluminum heat spreader, colorful RGB light bar, and offers great performance. Each of these 8GB RAM sticks clocked at 3200 MHz costs around 4500 rupees. So the 16GB kit will be available around 9000 rupees in India. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.